Hi everyone! So I think it was last week I had hauled some felt from Hobby Lobby, and I said that my cousin had asked me to make a mask for her little boy, and quite a few of you guys asked for me to share the finished products, so I'm going to do that today. So what I had bought was this pink felt, and then I found this like peachy one, and I didn't know which one would be better. So I got that one, and then I ended up getting a red and a black. All of these are 33 cents. And then it was the pig from Roblox. And here is the mask that I put together. So I haven't cut out the eyes yet because I want to measure it to his face before I go in and cut them out, because I want to make sure it's in the right place. I don't think using my adult face would match, you know, a little kid's face, and he's probably like 4, so I want to make sure that I get it in the right placement. So once I meet up with them, I'm going to go ahead and cut them out. And then I didn't have any elastic, and that was my fault. I didn't think about buying that when I was at Hobby Lobby, but you guys know we have tons of yarn in the house because my mom crochets and I'm always buying it for her. So she just crocheted a little braid, and then that's what I went ahead and I put it together so he could tie it around his face. And then I just used some hot glue to glue it in the back. See, the only thing I don't like is right here, you can see my Sharpie marks where I outlined it to cut it. So what I did was I folded my felt in half. You can see there's still the Sharpie right here. So I folded the felt in half, and then I only drew it on like this half right here. I did the ear and then the face, and then I just cut it out from there. So I only had to, you know, draw out one side, and then that's how I got the cut, because it's folded in half. You just cut through both sides of the felt, and then, you know, there we go. That's how I got my image. So that's why I only see the Sharpie on this side and not this side, is because when I cut it, it was folded in half like this, and I just cut around the edge like that. And then I just did the little circles and the nose. So from Google, this is what I interpreted the pig to look like. You know, the black with the red eye, and then the black eye here, and then, you know, some like little cheeks. And then because I had the felt, I went ahead and I used that peachy one for the nostrils. I could have technically used all the pink for his nose, I think, but I like that it gives it a little bit of contrast with the little peachy pink. So yeah, that is my little mask that I whipped together, and I want to say it probably took me like 30 minutes in total, if that, you know. I spent more time trying to Google a clear image so I can see the full face, and then just drawing it out from there and putting it together. So like even for the little cheeks right here, I wasn't sure if they were ovals or supposed to be circles, but like I said, from the image that I could find on Google, I did my best. And then yeah, I would have preferred elastic, but I don't have any right now. So next big thing, crochet. And then I did tie it to my own head, and it did work. So hopefully they like it. So that's my little share. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.